All right, Logic and Binary back at you at LB Dexter at T-Got. And we're going to keep going with the PS5 here. In this video, we're going to show you how to customize your, what do they call these?
Faceplates.
Faceplates. We're going to show you how to customize your faceplate. So I got a couple of markers here on the side of me. I don't know why T-Got gave me dry erase markers, but we're going to make it work. And then we've got permanent markers. And the handy dandy SeeNew pocket knife. Not only is it good for opening up boxes, but it's also good for etching. Wait, what? We're not customizing? I can't. I was gonna put our logo on it, man. So what are we doing? That's it? So no markers? No knife? You sure? Alright. We're gonna change the faceplate. Okay, so here we go. What do you have for me, T-Got? Oh.
Brown box.
Brown box. Amazon? Amazon product, link somewhere. Read the description. The link will be there somewhere. Oh, handy dandy SeeNew pocket knife. Okay. Hey, it was already open. That's how good the knife is. It opened it before. Right. Flicked it out. Tape got scared and just ripped. Here we go. Black, huh? Nice. So I was having a conversation with T-Got. I actually read something about this on the news. There's a company out there that was making these faceplates and they got sued by Sony. Not sure what's going on with that, so I'm not sure if they're gonna be allowed to sell these or not. I really don't know. But you know, as I mentioned before, I mean, you can do this yourself, man. These plates, you can do whatever you want to them. So to remove the faceplate, all you really have to do is you just kind of wait. Okay. Yeah, it really just, you can't be afraid of it. There it goes. Up and out, up and slide. It just kind of slides out. It's a little, it's not that difficult once you get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of having this section open. I'm gonna remove the expanded storage SSD that we installed in the earlier video. Just gonna go ahead and remove it. Never planned to keep it in here. It was just for the video. And again, because it is very easy to do, we can just quickly go over this. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cute PS5 screw for the plate here, the cover plate, the cover of the plate, whatever you want to call it. Here's our SSD that we installed earlier. We're gonna go ahead and remove that. Alrighty, go ahead and remove this. And I'm gonna go ahead and hand that right back to T-Got. Now, this little pin right here, I honestly don't know what to do with it. Now that we've removed the pin, the SSD. So I'm gonna go ahead and it was at the 110, but I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it at the 80. That seems to be kind of standard right now. I'm gonna go ahead and screw that down so it doesn't fly off. It's pretty secure. We can go ahead and put this plate right back on. Screw it down and we're good to go, and we'll move forward with this project, okay? Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put the panel on first. And now this panel that we are putting on is the one that does not have the PS logo on it. This will be the one without the PlayStation logo on it. And it looks, everything should line up. If you're a little confused, you got the two small ones, that's where it goes. Okay, it's in there. And then you just slide it up, it snaps into place. kind of goes down on this side. That is beautiful. I like that. All right, so we'll go ahead, flip it over, and do the next one. The yin and the yang, says Tiga. Oh yeah, look. I feel like Cruella de Vil right now. Huh? That's pretty cool. Oh, you know what? It does not. So I was wrong. The other panel also does not have a PlayStation logo. No. And then we'll compare here, as you can see. No, here. See? This one has the logo right there. See? So it has all the PlayStation buttons on there. This one does not. And then of course the other panel has the etched out PlayStation logo, and this one does not. Okay, so just to point that out, and we're gonna go ahead and slide it out. Now, for this particular side, I haven't received any instructions on how to remove it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and guess, and hopefully I don't break it. Yep. So lift up on the PS logo, slide down, panel comes right off, PlayStation logo, put that to the side, and then again, no buttons on this one, just the logo. Put that to the side there, and we'll go ahead and try to slide this one on. Again, if you're looking at the panel, yeah, it's only gonna go in one way. Look, you sit it on there and it just kind of falls into place. Okay, once it falls into place, a little pressure down, slide it up, you hear the snap, and you're golden. And that's simple. Boom. We have a PS4, PS5. Wow, that is gorgeous. Yeah. You know, the fact that you can change the panels on this can really make it work with the ambiance or with whatever design you have working in your playroom. But yes, it's that easy. As you can see, it was a piece of cake. No instructions needed. You can find these on Amazon. Links below. They come in different colors. NexiGo? NexiGo. They come in different colors. I'm sure that's not the only one. But install is real simple. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, T got anything else before we sign off here? Are we good to go? We're golden. I got the thumbs up from T-Got. Once again, at LB Dexter, you got T-Got on the side. Logic and Binary, thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, all the good stuff. You guys already know what to do. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you don't like the video, who cares? Give us a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Let us know how we can improve, and we'll probably ignore you, but let us know anyways.
Yeah, and we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof.